Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this new OPPO Find X5 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the Opera app as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon apps category. At the apps menu, go for the default apps, and at the browser app just select Opera, and from now on the default browser on your device will be the Opera application. There is also the second way how you can possibly do that. In order to execute the second way, just go ahead and open up the Opera browser itself. Let me find it. Here it is. Click on this profile avatar of yours. Here, go for this gear icon that stands for settings. And in the settings menu, find the default browser category, tap on it, choose next, select Opera. And after that, the Opera will become the default browser on this smartphone. So that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, and bye-bye.